Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. And just a heads up, quite a few of them are limited edition or very limited in quantity. So if you see what you like, grab them quick. And if you don't see them on the website anymore, that means they're gone. So hurry, hurry, hurry. The first one is the 5-petal flower stencil. Now we released this in a class, so if you've already taken that class, you have this stencil, so no fears. But if you didn't get that class, because our classes always sell out, then grab this stencil quick, because you know, one day in the future I'm going to use it and somebody's going to say, I want that stencil, and oh, it's going to be gone, because our stencils are a very limited edition. Yay! Ready? Whoa! Fall epoxy dots. Now, as you know, I am in love with epoxy dots, and this is a 3-pack of all the fall colors you are going to need, which is very important because you know, when you run out of a color, you get really sad, right? So this is a 3-pack, which is very handy. We're also releasing a fall pack of ribbons. Now here you're getting some artichoke, some chocolate, some looks like sunflower, and we have another artichoke in a different version, and also a pretty cranberry. Fun. So perfect to go with dun, 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 getting your fall stuff ready, right? Now on the same theme as the fall stuff, we now are releasing our Home Decor for Life version of twine. Now this is so much twine, you are not going to need any more twine for a long time. This is a huge spool of twine. So this is going to keep you set for a long time. Perfect for making those cute little bows when you want and just to have around, right? Lastly, we also have our twig. Now this did come in a kit a while back. Now you can buy it separately. All of our large ink pads do come with the refill ink, so you don't have to worry about that. And this twig is so nice. It's a nice brown, perfect for trees and fall and things like that. Now club members, of course you're getting the club discount on all of these products. And you know what? If you're not in the club, you are missing out on a 15% discount off of everything on our website. Everything. Machines, supplies, dies, stamps, you name it, you get the discount. I know, isn't that awesome? So if you don't even know what I'm talking about and you're saying, club, what's that? Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch that video. Watch that video, and you know what? Chances are you're gonna fall in love ASAP with that awesome, all the awesome club benefits you're gonna get. Club points, discounts, anniversary gift certificates, freebies, you name it, it's all got it. So go check it out. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.